time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new sunny fighting with the cloud day here in France. And can you smell what I'm smelling? I don't think you can, but I'm smelling it for both of us. We are doing our first barbecue of the year. The kids has been asking for barbecue. They couldn't wait for the sun to get out for them to go and play outside and have barbecue outside. You guys know we love a good barbecue. If we get to the barbecue every weekend, that's a win for us. So we got up this morning and on a mission because today is the last day before work tomorrow. So I've been editing, trying to make sure that I have at least 3 vlogs ready for you guys for the week. So I think I can work on that a bit, but let's see what it will be like. Fingers crossed that that's going to be the schedule. But of course I'll give you guys update on what's I'll be trying to do as the time goes by and I settle into a routine. So yeah, that's what we're up to right now, doing barbecue outside while the kids play. So we're gonna enjoy that barbecue, and of course I'll take you guys along. But first, can you see the air fryer is running right here? What do I have in there, you ask? Fries for the fam bam. So fries is going on in the air fryer. And then outside we have these two. But you know, see your slippers put wrong. You put your slippers wrong, princess.
Oh no, it's getting bad.
They're out here playing while Papa doing barbecue. So chicken is on and sausages are on. Say hello, you two.
Hi.
What you doing, girl? Yes, but your slippers is on wrong. Who put your slippers on? You did?
Oh, it's left and right?
Yes. Take it off and put it properly.
What's here?
Very good, like that. Yes, Sarah. I need the sun though. Sun, where are you? I need the sun. I need the sun. And of course, Tyler is somewhere in his room. Once you guys don't see him yet. Good job. Put the other one.
Mama.
Yes, princess.
Look, a bike.
It's a trottinette.
Mama, look, it's a bike.
Yes, that is a bike. Good
And
job.
a continent. You look riding the bike, Mama.
You ride your bike.
It's for Sarah.
Yes, it's for Sarah.
So whenever we will go out, is the other bike for Tara. Tara, we need a new bike.
Mama, what's that?
Maybe for tourists.
Mama,
Sarah, what kind of bike, Sarah? For now,
The red
that's-
one down.
Oh yeah, there's a red one. This one is break now. Oh, no, it was just the back that
Go
broke.
bike. Come, let me help you. Come. Because I don't know why you choose to put this one. Why you put this shoe? Why you put this? You're right in. He's will teach you to do that.
Mama, can you help?
If I can help you
Yeah.
to do what?
My table.
You soon put the table. If you're playing, it's not smart to put the table at the same time.
You see, I'm thinking about yesterday when she saw the raspberry and straight. She said, let's share.
Here.
Look at them.
Sarah.
What are you two playing?
Toupee.
What you playing?
Toupee.
Oh, tupies. You know what tupi in English? Gig.
Gig.
Yes.
No, toupee.
Tupi is called a gig in English, and we have many different types.
Like this one?
Yes, Sarah, but in English
Like
it's
this
called...
one?
Yeah, we don't have that one.
Well.
Sarah, in English it's called gig.
Yes.
Say gig.
Gig.
Yes.
One.
En français, c'est tupi.
Hyper vitesse. Attends. 1, 2, 3. Hyper vitesse.
Playing gig.
I win. 1, 2, 3. Hyper vitesse. I win. 1, 2, 3. Hyper vitesse. I win. I'm still going to win this one. 1, 2, 3. Hyper vitesse.
Suppose you do that and lost it, suppose you lose it.
2, 3. Hyper vitesse. J'ai gagné. 1, 2, 3. Hyper vitesse.
The joy of having a sibling. Can you believe that if he was still an only
You
child?
want this one? Please. This one. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
His PlayStation wouldn't be as
Sorry,
fun.
who likes this?
Or we'll have to play with him all the time.
1, 2, 3.
Like we used to do.
Hyper vitesse.
They
No.
so needed each other.
1, 2, 3.
Best decision I've ever made, we've ever made, was to give this boy a sibling.
Sarah wins.
Give him his Sarah.
1, 2, 3. Hyper vitesse.
Oh, where did it go?
Oh, I'm not going far every time.
Okay, have fun. Look at Sarah.
1, 2, 3. Hyper vitesse. I win. I win.
It's Sunday dinner. Alright, here is what's up. Broccoli in heavy cream for Tyler. And I have broccoli without heavy cream for Sarah and I here. Broccoli without heavy cream for Sarah and I. Broccoli in heavy cream for the boys. I have corn cooking over here. Then over here I have some filet mignon going, which is going to take less than 5 minutes to finish preparing. So I like to do the filet mignon like this. I just put it onto the stove, let it brown on both sides, take it back out like in 3 minutes, cut it up and put some barbecue sauce on it. The family will love it like that. And then that will go with some rice. So that's dinner for today. And of course it's Sunday, so in the background I have church going. Look at this one, like a dead fish. Look at her. Hey, what you doing? You're a dead fish? You're a dead fish? You're a fish? She said no, Ty. Ty, she said no. Yes. Ty pushing. I'm gonna leave them and go listen to church service. And voila, dinner is ready for everybody.
Dis trop. On jette pas le papier par terre. Tu as raison, Trotro, dit papa. Pour que la terre soit plus belle, les détritus, c'est dans la poubelle. Alors, on ramasse le papier et on le jette dans la poubelle, pas par terre. Moi, je suis très écolo, dit Trotro. Je n'ai pas d'avion, pas d'auto, pas de moto, juste mon petit vélo. Dans mon petit potager, je n'ai que des fruits.
C'est quotidien des abeilles. Et
Oui.
papillon.
Je n'ai que des fruits et légumes bio. Je les bio, c'est-à-dire on rajoute pas de pesticides, non. C'est par
Pas de
exemple,
fertilizer.
voilà, par
pas
exemple
de-
dans les grands champs, quand c'est les abeilles, ils vont rajouter, par exemple, maman a dit du fertilisant pour les faire pousser plus vite, ou ils vont
Ou
mettre
plus
du produit,
grandes.
voilà, pour avoir des fruits plus gros, pour qu'ils.
C'est pas bon
Voilà.
pour la santé.
Mais on mange comme ça. Mais lui,
Oui.
dans son petit potager, non, c'est tout naturel. Je les arrose avec l'eau de la pluie. Waouh! Et les insectes sont mes amis. Parce que quand on met des pesticides, on met du produit sur les carottes pour pas que les insectes y viennent. Mon petit écolo.
Il y a le vert.
Il court parce qu'il ne veut pas aller à la douche. Non.
Naughty, papa. C'est dégoûtant. Tap, tap, tap. Succulent.
Ça va?
Et c'est bon ça? Croc, croc, croc.
Demain, je pense que je vais vers moi.
J'en veux pas. C'est
C'est
bon.
la dernière page, là.
Ok.
Le dernier.
Gnap. Je préfère ce qu'il y a dans ma gamelle. Tiens, ça sent bon.
Close the book and both of you say your prayers.
Attends. 1, 2, 3. Pray Mouna. Pray Poupa.
Pray to God to bless me and make me a good little child. Christ's sake. Amen.
Amen.
Thank you, Lord, for this house and for Mama, Papa, dear sister, and Tyler, and for all our family and friends. Amen.
Amen.
Say bye bye to Faves. Come say bye bye to Faves first.
Bye.
Say see you guys tomorrow.
This guy's tomorrow. Tomorrow we're leaving at what time?
You just worried about not seeing Mama when you come home. Eh? Going to Papa all the time. So you do your activity and you watch your tablet. You take care of your sister while Papa works.
God.
Okay?
Okay.
Go tell Faves bye bye. See Sarah around here acting up. Sarah! Go tell Faves bye. Sarah! Go pee pee. One.
Bye.
Tyler, you.
My turn.
Everybody acting up tonight. Lights out. Lights out. Anyway, guys, that's the end of today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you give it a thumbs up, comment down below. What? Sarah, you're gonna fall. Lord have mercy, Jesus. Sarah, you're gonna fall. Tyler, get down, let your sister get down. 1, 2, 3, to your room. On your bed. Take this. See you guys tomorrow. Go. Go pee pee. Let me see if I can find Papa for him to tell you guys tomorrow. Babe! Say who? The who and turn off the camera. Everybody else is by already. 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, it's the end of the day. A new day and your life is about to start tomorrow, and we are looking forward to. So yeah, we're going to put on the kids to bed, enjoy the last evening, cause tomorrow, after tomorrow, single evening. So we're gonna enjoy it together evening and enjoy this new life. So if you like this video, yes my tie-tie, take it, you don't need me. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share, to thumbs up. Well, 2 thumbs up, to like is kind of the same thing. So 2 thumbs up to turn on the notification bell, and we'll still see you guys tomorrow. Bye.